There's something honest about making spaghetti. No rush, no tricks, just time, heat, and paying attention. This isn't about efficiency, it's about being present. Tomatoes need help remembering who they are. A pinch doesn't make it sweet, it makes it balanced. It rounds the edges. Heat is the quiet authority here. Not aggressive, not passive, just steady. You don't rush flavor, you let it show up when it's ready. And fat is the carrier of memory. Olive oil at the beginning, butter at the end. It's what makes everything feel complete. What makes the sauce cling instead of slide away. This isn't about following a recipe, it's about listening, stirring when it asks, tasting when it changes, adjusting without overthinking. Something with your hands, you've paid attention, and somehow, in onions and garlic and heat and fat, you've made more than dinner. You've made a moment worth remembering.